work exercise which is in your book, page number 43 and 44. So I have written the question. We have already completed 2 Romans. Now this is the 3rd Roman. In this Roman, you are going to change the possession form by using of. You are going to change into the possession form which is using by apostrophe yes. Okay. So we are going to use apostrophe yes to show the possession, to show the ownership. So possession is nothing but showing the ownership. Okay. So we are going to do this exercise. Let's start our doing the exercise. Okay. 3rd Roman, rewrite the sentences using apostrophe s with the words in bold. So here I have underlined the word in which you are going to add apostrophe s. So I have underlined those words in which you are going to add apostrophe s to show the possession. Okay. Shall we start doing the exercise? Okay. So the first question. The sisters of Ramanuj are very intelligent. The sisters of Ramanuj are very intelligent. So here who is the owner? Ramanuj. So what he owns? Sister. So how can we write Ramanuj's apostrophe s sisters? Okay. So I am going to write Ramanuj. So why I am not writing the? Can you tell me? Yes, because this is the name, right? Whenever we are talking about, whenever we are naming our names, there we don't put okay? We don't put the names, we don't put the in front of the person's name, okay? So here Ramanuj's sisters, then all other sentence will come as it is are very intelligent. Ramanuj's sisters are very intelligent is the correct answer. Okay. Let's do second. This is the room of my grandmother. This is the room of my grandmother. So grandmother owns this room. So how can we say? Yes, grandmother's room. So the answer will be like this is. All other words we need to write as this without making any change. This is my grandmother's room. Here, this is my grandmother's room is the correct answer. See here, my grandmother owns the room. So that is why without making any change here, I have written my grandmother, then I have added apostrophe s. After that only I need to write only room, not the room. Okay. Whenever we are using apostrophe s, no, then after putting the apostrophe s, you should not put any the or a or an. Okay. Directly we have to write the words in which whatever things they own, no, that things we are going to write. Clear? Okay. Let's do the third one. We love to see the beauty of the mountain. We love to see the beauty of the mountain. So here I have underlined the words that is they are the beauty of the mountain. The beauty of the mountain. So what we are talking about the mountain. What it owns, the beauty. So here how can we say the mountains? See whatever they have given after the of. After of what they have given, that will comes first the mountain, then apostrophe s. What we are talking about, what it owns? Yes, it owns beauty. This we will remove from this beauty. We will write only beauty. Let's see how it will look like. So we love to see the mountain will come as it is. The mountain. What I need to add? Yes, apostrophe. Yes. Mountains. We are talking about the mountains beauty. So here see I have written the mountains. Here I am going to write only beauty, not the beauty. Mountains beauty. Clear? We love to see the mountains beauty. So in the question they have given like we love to see the beauty of the mountain. We need to add apostrophe s to show the possession. That is why we have written we love to see the mountains beauty. Okay. So let's do the fourth one. There is a large black spot on the tail of the dog. There is a large black spot on the tail of the dog. So on the dog's tail there is a large black spot. So here we are talking about the dog. What it owns? It owns a tail. We are talking about its tail only. So it's the possession for the dog only. The tail is the possession for the dog. So how can we say the dog will comes as it is? The dog. Then we need to add what? Apostrophe s. Then here do we write the tail or only tail? Yes, we will write only tail. So the dog's tail. See, I am going to write the answer. You can check. So all other sentence, all other words will come as it is. No changes for other words. So I am going to write that is a large black spot on the tail of the dog. The dog now will become like the dog's tail. The dog I have written as this. I am going to add apostrophe s. If I add apostrophe s, this the I should not write directly. I am going to write tail. The dog's tail. There is a large black spot on the dog's tail. Okay. Now fifth question. She looked inside the engine of the car. She looked inside the engine of the car. Here we are talking about the car which owns the engine. So it will become like what? The car will come as it is. The car. We need to add apostrophe s. Then it will be like the car's thing. The engine. Should I write or only engine? Good. I need to write only engine. The car's engine. So the sentence now it will become like she looked inside the car. They have given. So I am also going to write the car. The car's apostrophe s. Then engine. Okay, not the will come before the engine. Okay, the car's engine is the correct answer. So the sentence now become like she looked inside the car's engine. Clear, children? So what we have done? So when the sentence are talking about the possession by the using of there, if we are going to change into we are going to change the possession by using the second bit, that is by adding apostrophe s. There we are going to remove of from the word, and who owns something, who is the owner, their name we are going to write first. We can look at the word their means we are going to write first. Then after that we are going to add apostrophe s. You can see I have added apostrophe s after the owner name. Then what he owns? He owns his sister, right? Then Ramanu's sister only. But before the we are not going to write. For every sentence you can see. So here also the room of my grandmother will be like my grandmother will come first. So this words, last two words will come first. My grandmother. Then apostrophe s we need to add my grandmother's. Then what she wants? Room. We are not going to write the room. We are only going to write only room. So room only. My grandmother's room. Clear? So we are going to write my grandmother's room only. This is the correct answer. Same for all and each sentence. See, the beauty of the mountain. Now it will become like the mountain's beauty. The mountain we are going to write first. After the curly by adding apostrophe s, we are going to write only beauty, not the beauty. Okay. Same for the tail of the dog. The dog's name will come first. We are going to add apostrophe s. And what we are talking about? Tail. Only tail I have written. Same for the engine of the car. The car's apostrophe s. After that, the word engine on the car's engine. So children, I hope you are clear with this possession topic, that is possessive noun. Why do we use possessive nouns? Yes, we use possessive nouns to talk about the ownership of the persons or the objects. So whenever you are owning something, suppose for example if this is your pencil or if this pencil is Sheila's, means this pencil belongs to Sheila, means you can say like this is Sheila's pencil. This pencil belongs to Sheila, then this is Sheila's pencil. So by using apostrophes, we can show the ownership. So use this possessive nouns whenever you are talking about the ownership of the object. You can use apostrophes and use it in your real life and learn more thing about the possessive nouns. And I hope you are clear with this exercise. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.